Welcome to the Symphony video series. In this video, I will show you how to set up a reversible heat pump. We start by adding a heat pump with two modes. We name the technology and select the hub. We then select the input energy carriers for the first mode. Next, we define the output energy carrier. We now adjust the output efficiency and the input ratios. Then we select the primary input and output. Now it's time to add a second mode. A reversible heat pump has a second operation mode, which we model by adding a second mode within Symphony. We once again select the input energy carriers and define the output. As a next step, we then define the technical, cost and environmental parameters. The reversible heat pump is now shown in the system diagram. To avoid an infeasibility by accumulation of energy in the system, a heat storage is added. Thank you for watching and feel free to contact us if you have any further questions.